Samsung's latest camera move has everyone talking. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is sparking a firestorm of debate, and not for the reasons you'd expect. While Apple's iPhone 17 Pro lineup just dropped major upgrades to its telephoto and selfie cameras, Samsung's response to this challenge might surprise even its most loyal fans. But here's where it gets controversial. The S26 Ultra's 3x telephoto camera is rumored to be downgraded from its predecessor. Yes, you read that right. A flagship device with a lower resolution sensor in one of its key camera modules. Let's dive into the details and unpack why this decision could divide opinion. Ice Universe, the leaker known for calling out Samsung's design choices, claims the S26 Ultra's mid-range telephoto will sport a 10MP 1/3.94-inch sensor with 1.0 micrometer pixels. Compare that to the Galaxy S25 Ultra's current setup, which uses the Sony IMX754, a 12MP sensor with a slightly larger 1/3.52-inch size and 1.12 micrometer pixels. While the difference in numbers might seem minor, in the world of smartphone cameras, even small changes can impact image quality, especially in low-light scenarios. And this is the part most people miss. Samsung might be cropping a 12-megapixel sensor to 10-megapixel to save costs or reduce thickness, but the smaller pixel size still means less light capture. Ouch! Let's put this into perspective. The S25 Ultra's 5x periscope lens already has a 50-megapixel sensor, IMX854, but Apple's new 48-megapixel telephoto with a 100mm lens is closing the gap. Meanwhile, Vivo's upcoming X300 Pro is rumored to have a jaw-dropping 200-megapixel telephoto sensor from Samsung itself. Talk about irony. So why is Samsung scaling back now? According to insiders, switching to a 50-megapixel 4x lens for the S26 Ultra is too late in the design cycle. And using a 200-megapixel sensor in the 3x module, Ice Universe isn't optimistic. It's probably a cost-cutting move. But wait, there's more. The S26 Ultra's camera bump is said to be nearly twice as thick as the S25 Ultra's, yet the main camera won't see a sensor upgrade, and the ultra-wide likely won't either. The S25 Ultra introduced a brand new 50MP sensor there. The 5x telephoto might stick with the 50MP sensor, despite earlier rumors of a 200MP jump. So what's in that massive bump? Could it be a new optical system or AI-driven enhancements? Samsung better have a killer reason to justify the design shift. This isn't just about specs, it's about priorities. Are consumers willing to trade a slightly smaller sensor for a slimmer design or lower price? Or does this move signal a shift in how flagship phones are engineered in 2025? We'd love to hear your take. Drop a comment below. Do you think Samsung's camera downgrade is a smart business decision or a step backward for innovation?